Every year, billions of corn chips are produced inside facilities like this. The process begins long before packaging. It starts with corn. Simple in appearance, critical in quality. Every shipment is inspected before processing. Dust, husks, and foreign material are removed. Sensors analyze color, size, and defects in milliseconds.
Only approved corn continues.
Storage systems ensure uninterrupted production. From here, timing becomes everything. The corn is milled into fine cornmeal.
Particle size affects texture and crunch.
Water is added in precise ratios.
This step determines consistency.
Too dry, it cracks. Too wet, it fails.
The dough is rolled into uniform sheets. Uniform thickness ensures even frying. The iconic Doritos shape is formed.
Unused dough is returned to the system.
Now, the transformation accelerates.
Frying locks in structure.
Temperature is precisely controlled.
Moisture removal creates crunch.
Excess oil is removed immediately. Cooling stabilizes texture.
Timing here prevents breakage.
Each blend is carefully measured. Uniform coverage is essential. This step defines the product. Consistency is non-negotiable. Every Doritos chip is inspected. Each bag must meet strict weight limits. Adjustments happen in real time. Speed and accuracy work together.
Timing prevents damage.
Oxygen is removed to preserve freshness. Bags are sealed under pressure. The line runs continuously. Automation handles repetition. Every case is tracked. Prepared for distribution. From here, they move nationwide. The process continues beyond the factory. What began as raw corn is now a finished product. Engineered for consistency. Designed at scale. Controlled down to the smallest detail. This is how Doritos are made. One step at a time.
Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory tours.